Number 1, the models below represent 4 different decimal numbers. Which list shows these decimal numbers in order from greatest to least? Number 2, find the product of 537 and 4. Number 3, write the following number in standard notation, 9 7/7. Number 4, at what point on the ruler is the dash lined? Number 5, Bill arranged his rock collection the following pattern. Write and solve a multiplication equation that can be used to determine the number of rocks Bill has in his collection. Number 6, what number represents point M? Number 7, which is another way to write the following number? 600 millions, 7 10 millions, 9 1 millions, 32 10,000s. B, 600 millions, 79 1 millions, 32 1,000s. C, 67 10 millions, 900 thousands, 3 10,000s, 2 hundreds. D, 600 billions, 7 10 billions, 9 1 billions, 3 10 millions, 2 1 millions. Number 8, find the sum of this and this.